In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the size of the taskbar icons in Windows 11. By default, the taskbar icons are medium in size. For most people, this is okay, but you can also change to large icons or small ones. Unfortunately, as of the current version of Windows 11, see the version number below in the description, there's no easy way to make this change. You can, however, make a registry change to choose a different icon size. But here's my warning. Registry changes, if made incorrectly, can make Windows 11 do crazy things or even crash it altogether. If you follow my instructions in this video, you do so at your own risk. Still, if you perform each of the steps exactly as I've indicated, you should be good to go. As a safety procedure, before we edit the registry, we're going to create a system restore point. Even if you have made changes in the registry before, you should not skip this step. Let's get started. Click or tap the search field on the taskbar and search Create a Restore Point. It usually appears even before you're done typing. Choose the option. On the System Properties window, click on Create. Give the restore point a name, any name, it doesn't matter, and then once again click Create. Once the restore point has been created, choose Close and then OK. If you can't create the restore point for some reason, do not proceed. Leave me a message and I'll try to help you. If it was successful, remember my warning about the registry and move on if you feel comfortable. First, right-click on the Start menu. That's right-click on the Start menu and choose Run. Next, type in regedit, regedit. That's short for Registry Editor. Then click OK. In most cases, you get a permission screen. Click or tap Yes. The Windows registry will open. I like it to look like this, but sometimes it will open looking like this, or maybe this, or something different. Don't be alarmed if that happens. You can still follow the rest of the steps. To help with that, let me explain a few things about the registry. There are 5 hives in the registry, and for this procedure, we'll be dealing with the current_user hive. You will notice a small arrow in front of each hive. If the arrow points to the right, we call that collapsed, meaning there are things under the heading. When we click on the arrow, causing it to point downwards, we call that expanded. In this position, you can see what items are under the heading. We'll be using these terms in the steps that follow. Regardless of how the registry looks, expand HKey_current_user by clicking on the arrow. Under that heading, find and expand software. Remember, you're clicking on the arrow, not the word. Again, scroll down and expand Microsoft. Next, scroll down and expand Windows. Then expand CurrentVersion by clicking on the arrow. Scroll down and expand Explorer. Now, click or tap on the word Advanced. Notice we're not expanding this, we're clicking on the word. When you do, you'll see lots of things that appear in the right side of the window. Now, go up to the Edit menu and choose New. When the secondary menu appears, click on DWORD 32 value. Make sure to choose the 32-bit and not the 64-bit. In the new value, name it taskbar SI. Notice the T, the S, and the I are capitals. Then hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Next, double-click on the new value, taskbar SI. In the Edit Windows Value data field, type either a 0, a 1, or a 2. A 0 will make the taskbar icons small. A 2 will make them large. And a 1 will return them to the default medium icons. When done, hit OK and then close the registry. You will need to sign out or reboot the computer so the changes can take effect. There, you have it. You can have the default medium icons or small icons. Notice the date is partially hidden when you use small icons, or you can have large icons. That's it for now. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Feel free to leave a comment or a question below.